Students, through this map, I am going to explain you about the reasons of water bodies, which are the examples of national resources and international resources. Now, this is the southern part of our country. ये जो मैप है ये हमारे दक्षिण भारत का मैप है. Now, this part is surrounded by water bodies in west, Arabian Sea, south, Indian Ocean, and east, Bay of Bengal. Now, this water body part divided into three parts: first, second, and third. Now, this shaded part, this shaded part is called a territorial part. The territorial part or territorial water of India extended to distance of 12 nautical miles from the coast. A nautical mile, this we used for expressing the distance of the sea surface. 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.852 kilometer. So 12 nautical miles is equal to 22 kilometer. And India is free to use the resources of this region. Now, the next zone is known as exclusive economic zone. Now, this whole part from our coast to here is called exclusive economic zone, and this zone of country extending to a distance of 200 nautical mile from the coast, and country has right to use the marine resources of this zone. ये भारत के कोस्ट से 200 नॉटिकल माइल्स की दूरी पे है, अर्थात 370 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे है, और यहाँ पर पाए जाने वाले जो भी रिसोर्स हैं इंडिया फ्रीली उसको यूज़ कर सकता है. दिस इज़ द थर्ड part of water bodies, and this is comes under international resource. Now, this zone is beyond exclusive economic zone. ये हमारे exclusive economic zone से परे है, and its resources can be used by country after getting permission from international institution. And India has taken a permission from international institution to mine the manganese from the bed of Indian Ocean.